All right, guys, we are here in Marietta, and we are cleaning the first house out of 5. We have 5 houses to do today, so we're going to go ahead and get this one done, get it nice and clean, and on to the next one. All right, guys, see you in a bit. All right, we are here at our second job. We are here in Fallbrook, and we're gonna head on up and take a look at panels up on top. Okay. Brand new roof that was put on. Here we go. Here's all the panels all the way down. As you can see, pretty bad. So we'll get all this stuff off and knock it out. All right, guys, this is job number 2 from Fallbrook. All right, we are done with the second house over here, and all nice and clean. All right, guys, from Fallbrook, beautiful day out here, on to our third house. Okay, we are here at our third house in Rancho Cucamonga, getting these solar panels clean. Probably take me all of about 10 minutes, 15 minutes to get all these done, pretty much. So go ahead and get started on this, and then we'll be done with this one, and then Upland next. All right, guys, we are done with the one here in Rancho. Just so you know that if these are clean all year around, you'll get almost close to 100% production out of your solar panels. If you guys are only cleaning them only in the summertime, you're losing a lot of productivity. These things have to be super clean, and if they're dirty, you're not producing as much. I suggest that you go out and clean your solar panels at least twice a year, and that way they come out just as nice as this. All right, guys, see you on number 4, I believe. Yes, number 4. All right, guys, we are here at job number 4. And I don't know what's up there, but something dead. No, just a leaf. But anyways, as you can see right here, these are pretty dirty. We're gonna get these nice and clean, getting ready for summer, get all that done. It's just a regular customer that we've had and we've been doing for a long time, and that's pretty much it. All right, guys, job number 4. We'll see you guys on the next one. So we are at our final destination, Bloomington, and we're getting ready to clean these panels here. Very simple. This will be done in about 10 minutes. So, you know, we did 5 jobs today. Just want to make sure that you guys are aware. If you are going to get into this business, just be aware of your competition. Be aware of the prices that they're giving out. And, you know, yeah, we do really well just because we've been in the business for over 4 years, and we have a lot of reviews, so people contact us, and also I'm on YouTube, so people see me there. But if you're just starting out, just think about a lot of capital. You're going to have a lot of capital. You're going to have a lot of resources in case you know, it slows down for you. And just think of it this way, 20% of it is marketing, and you got to market yourself all year round. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching my videos today. I'm gonna finish up on this one, get this done, and then we're done for today. All right, thanks for watching our videos, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you on the next one. All right, see ya. Peace.